Yes, it's me again,
Yeah,
and I'm back.
TLC on the remix.
Baby.
Decided to let's do a voiceover because I am getting into a cut crease. You all, I have like what I consider the worst eyes. Like I'm hooded and the skin is kind of wrinkly, but I'm here to show you can get a beautiful look. You just gotta apply some pressure and go to work. So that Urban Decay electric palette has been bait all summer because I am the type of Diva would say I dream in color. I just love color. So I packed that pink on, focusing on the outside and going in with the LA Girl Pro Primer white paint stick. I'm also taking a small brush that would fit in my crease perfectly and going back and outlining that section. Now, I missed my flat definer brush and going into that Juvia's palette that, like I said, I just got into that palette really when I did my bomb challenge. But I mean, we all know it's pigmented. That's why I bought it. I just wasn't using it. And then we go and pack that on, and that defines the crease for me the way I like it versus bringing it all the way up higher like some cut creases would. I find that when I open my eye and close my eye, I get so wrinkly in that crease area that the shadows flake off. So I just cut my crease kind of lower, but tend to use brighter colors. That way it stands out. Now going in with a flat brush, see how I'm going in with that purple and digging and carving out that crease. That's going to give the illusion that it's deeper and that's going to make that lip stand out even more. And then going in what has to be the best fluffy taper brush from CVS. That's the MUA brush. And we just want to pack that pink on that outer area some more. And then take that purple and blend it. Now your face powder on a big fluffy brush is always big. So go back and blend out any colors that you miss. And this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And now I'll be back with my makeup done. Actually went to Sephora and switched my shade. In the foundation, I'm now chestnut, and in the concealer, I am now butterscotch. Combination between the Sephora Micro Smooth and Mahogany in the LA colors. That combo is so bomb, you all. So if you have not know, I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina, and this look is my ode to Charlotte, representing the Charlotte Hornets. Not my team, but hell, I'm in their city. But that paint stick is just going to hold on that purple just the way I like it. And I'm welcoming myself to the 704, which is not far from Charleston at all. So that Urban Decay electric palette has been getting my life, and so is this electric steel by NYX. Combination of the NYX lavender steel and the rose gold molten gold by Maybelline, and I'm getting my life with that. A little too much, but I went back and fixed it. Milani Matte Glam number 60 is that purple that I used on my lips, and I used that as a base to go back and put the MAC Retro Matte Liquid in the color Recollection on the lips, and that held and served all night. I'm welcoming myself to the Queen City. Y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Yes, it's me again,